Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So what's going on here now is they are building a tunnel basically for the workers to get to the other toll plaza. Now we are at Toll Gate and they have two toll plazas out here. I want to come out and show you both. So this is the first toll plaza and this is the office. This is the office for the toll plaza. Between May Pen and Mandeville, there's just one toll. So this is the toll plaza and this is the office. So from the office to get to the second toll plaza, you'll use this tunnel. And they're covering it and it goes under the highway right here and comes out on the other side so that the staff can easily get to the other side, to the other toll plaza without crossing the road. You go under the road. So this is the toll plaza. Sorry, the office. I don't know if they'll allow us to walk on the ramp, but too much people over there. We're not going to try. But this is where you would walk. There are your seats. It's going to be covered. So even if it's raining, you can get out there. I'm not going to brave it. And it goes all the way to the other side, to the other toll plaza. So that's the office. And it goes to the other toll plaza. Now they had actually finished the ramp, the exit ramp straight ahead, and then they had to dig up the ramp to build the underpass. Excuse me, probably. So that's the office, and this takes you to, I'm not sure if we're allowed to walk on the highway, so we're just going to stop right here. But this goes all the way to the other side. So that's how the entire thing is going to look when it's finished, covered. And right there is, we're going to drive down there so you can get a better view, but this is how, I want to take a look at the underpass now. So I was saying they had actually finished the road. I don't know what the plan was originally, but they had to dig up the road to build this underpass. I'm not sure what happened out there. Yeah. There you can see the underpass. So you can see, let me zoom out. The railing goes all the way. So the entire thing will be covered and goes under the underpass and comes out on the other side. Now, remember, these people are going to be carrying money from this toll plaza down here back to the office. I hope they have security with them. But they should. A lot of security too, because that's a long way to go from one toll plaza to the other, especially at night. So this is the other toll plaza now. Zoom back out. So right here, that's where it goes under the road. Comes back out on the other side and goes up towards this toll plaza. So that way both toll plazas are connected. But I'm curious, I wonder what the original plan was, because they built the road. I'm sure the road was built and then they had to dig it up. Guys, can you remember how they went about building that underpass? Or maybe the road wasn't complete. They had left a hole in it. But I know up to the end of August, they were working on the underpass. I don't know. Guys, can you remember, did they build the road and then dig it up to do the underpass, or did they leave a space in the road for the underpass? And now you see people walking across the road. That's not supposed to happen. This is a toll road. People are not supposed to walk on it. But